Welcome to the Stage World 4 finale, Lesson 20, and it's a big one. Picture this. Tom's debugging a production server over SSH. He needs a grep flag he can't remember and there's no internet. Sounds like a dead end, right? Not even close. Because every Linux command ships with its own manual built right into your machine. 3 letters. No internet needed. It's called MAN, short for manual. And it's about to become your new best friend. So what does MAN actually do? It opens the official manual, a detailed document written by the developers themselves, shipped right alongside the command. Type man grep, hit enter, and the authoritative grep documentation appears in your terminal. Description, syntax, every flag, examples, all of it. And here's the beautiful part. MAN uses less under the hood, so every navigation key from Lesson 08 still works. Space, B, / to search, Q to quit. Same keyboard, new content. Let's try it. The ritual is just 2 steps. Type MAN followed by any command name to open the manual, then press Q when you're done to close it. Here we've run man grep, and the page loads up with the name, SYNOPSIS, and that familiar colon prompt at the bottom. That's less patiently waiting. And remember, quits, same key as Lessons 08. Forget it and you're stuck staring at the manual forever. Now here's the secret that makes man pages actually useful. Every single one follows the same 5-section template. Name gives you the 1-line summary. Synopsis is your syntax cheat sheet. Description explains what the command really does. Options lists every flag alphabetically. That's the gold mine. And examples, when they're there, show you real-world usage. Once you know this structure, you stop reading top to bottom and start jumping straight to what you need. And here's where it gets even better. You already know how to navigate man pages. Remember Lesson 08 on less? Same 6 keys, exact same behavior. Space jumps forward, B takes you back, /+ text searches, N hops to the next match, G shoots you to the end, and Q gets you out. That's the Unix philosophy in action. Learn once, apply everywhere. Less more man info. They all speak the same language. So let's put it all together with Tom. He's back on that offline server, needs grep's count-only flag, and has 0 internet. He types man grep /count to search, and boom, there it is. -C, suppress normal output and print a count of matching lines. He quits with Q, runs grep C error on the server log, and gets 47. From clueless to answer in 20 seconds, offline. Now here's the mistake almost every beginner makes. They open a man page expecting to read it like a book. Don't. Man bash alone is 50 pages of dense text. You'll drown. Man pages are encyclopedias, not novels. The fix? Always show up with a question first, then search inside with /keyword. Reading the manual wastes hours. Finding a specific answer takes seconds. But man doesn't work alone. It has 3 best friends. First, --help. Tacked onto almost any command, it gives you a quick flag summary in seconds. Second, apropos. When you don't even know the command's name, search by keyword, apropos compress. Finds every compression tool on your system. And third, the bonus one, TLDR, community-written cheat sheets packed with real examples. Install it separately and thank me later. 4 tools together and you'll never feel lost in the terminal again. Time to actually try this. 3 tiny exercises, each practicing a different skill. First, the basic cycle. Type man LOs, browse with space, press Q to quit, open and close, that's the rhythm. Second, search inside, open man grep, then type /recursive and jump straight to that word, N for next match, just like we learned with less back in Lesson 8. And third, compare LS, help against man LS. Feel the difference between a quick summary and the full reference. Pop open a terminal and run them now. And just like that, Stage Arrow 4 is in the books. Think about what you can do now. Find files live, locate them instantly, grep inside them, track down any command in your path, and pull up the manual for anything that exists on your system. You're 40% through the course and already more capable than most Linux users out there. Next up, stage arrow 5, lighter, daily use stuff, date, cal, ID, groups, pass WD. I'll see you in lesson 21.